Sous vide means under vacuum in French, and it is a technique that uses precise temperature control to deliver consistent restaurant quality results. By cooking food in resealable bags submerged in a heated water bath, your food will slowly and gradually come to the temperature you set it to and never go past it. Food cooks in its own juices, coming out moist and delicious. So many foods can be cooked sous vide, but perhaps the most popular is steak because it gives you the most evenly cooked, tender, and juicy piece of meat that rivals any steakhouse. To get started, set your deluxe multi-cooker to the sous vide setting and set the temperature of the water bath and adjust the time. I want my steaks cooked medium, so I am setting the water to 135 degrees. I'll set the time for 2 hours. With most foods, there is a window of time where you can hold your food at the temperature without affecting the outcome. This is great when you're having people over and trying to time out your dinner. While the water is heating up, prep your food either with seasoning or a marinade. I'm using salt, pepper, rosemary, and butter for some simple, delicious New York strips. Place them in your bags. Reusable silicone, zippered freezer, or vacuum-sealed bags work just fine. You want to get all of the air out of the bags so they don't float. There are many ways to remove the air, but I simply like to push the steaks to the edge of the bag, seal it up most of the way, leaving a little opening, fold it, squeeze out the air, and then seal it up. Once the water is up to temperature, place your food into the multi-cooker and close the lid. Make sure your food is submerged and the seal of the bag is above the water. Press the wheel to start, and that's it. Time's up. Now I'm just removing my steaks to a cutting board. Pat your steaks dry and preheat your pan for a quick sear. Technically, your steaks are done. However, searing your proteins or popping them under the broiler will add some color, enhance the flavor, and give just a little bit of texture. Just a minute or two on each side in a cast iron pan is all you need. Look at these steaks. With sous vide, you'll have medium cooked steak throughout from edge to edge, leaving them tender, juicy, and so delicious every time.